your head. I mean, a full-size handicap van just went through that tree.
Last night we stayed here at this very cute Airbnb. Well, it's a hotel that they're turning into an Airbnb. It's in Fort Bragg, right next to Glass Beach, which we're heading. And this is called the Weller House. So they have a huge house next door, and this is the tower. So we got the third floor, panoramic view. It comes with a little bathroom. I don't know, you wouldn't call it a kitchenette, but the garden is amazing. Like, I wish we were able to spend some time in the garden yesterday because they did a really good job. Like, just to see the craftsmanship of, like, you go through a maze of bushes and flowers, and there's a fire pit, and there's like all these benches and swings, and it's really cute. So we're about to head to Glass Beach, which is like one of the top tourist destinations or whatever here in Fort Bragg, and then we're heading up through the redwoods, and I can't wait. Have it, and if you have any other questions, just let me know. Yeah, not a problem. I'll talk to you later.
If I have to come back up or something, that's fine.
Nice. Nice.
We don't have crows that big in Kentucky. This is Fort Bragg.
Success. That's pretty neat.
Yeah. It's called Glass Beach.
Glass Beach. And it's because a lot of these pebbles look like glass, which it does. Like a lot of them. Don't you have a handful?
Yeah.
Of,
I already said.
yeah.
Yeah. Still kicking. Still turning them tires. Man, there's a bunch of bikes at Denny. Go ahead, babe. I want to get a video of you rolling through it. Fucking stop. Goddamn. Hold on. Yeah, my phone. Okay. Yep. Okay. I don't know what the fuck's going on. I was trying. It went blurry. It went black. Now it's working. Yeah. Watch your head. Literally, I hit it the first time. It was black. I was like, what's going on? I was and then I hit it again and it went blurry. It's on the GoPro because the GoPro's on. Yeah. Can't rely on that either.
I was freaking out just a minute.
Nice.
I mean, a full-size handicap van just went through that tree. You don't see that every day. No. I don't think that looks anything like what I left in the toilet the other night.
Is it supposed to?
Alright, I hope you guys are enjoying this.
Trey is.
Yeah.
Sonny Mom. Trey's definitely enjoying the roads.
I don't even like riding motorcycles. We're only doing this for you guys. Without you guys, we wouldn't be allowed to do this or able to do this.
I hate that.
I
hate that.
I don't know what we would do without you guys.
We don't make any money.
We some broke ass bitches.
We don't make any money doing this. Don't. We make zero. It's embarrassing. Help us. Please.
They got plenty of wood around here. Damn, we're about halfway between Canada and Mexico. That sign just said that Mexico and Canada were only 100 miles difference. Like, maybe a little bit more than 100 miles, but... What a magnificent road. What's up? You need what? I thought it was already formatted. Yeah? Yeah. Yeah, I went through all of them. Yeah. Because we use them as all of them. Look how freaking cool this section is. Hell yeah. love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. This bike is just fantastic, by the way. Like, if I was going from a sport bike to a bigger, like, touring bike, this is the way to go. Look at all that wood. Wood, 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 wood. Nothing but wood. You like wood? We got wood. Hell yeah. You're fine. You take your time, girl. Well, we got miles of this even after we drive through the tree. Unbelievable.
Well, we might get over. Alright. I'm recording. Shit. And I looked at the... Or should I do a clap? I hit my helmet. Yeah, well, this is a pretty cool ass place, so. Ooh! I better just start dancing. Mine's still playing. I'm just jamming out. You poor thing. Oh, this is Eel River.
My goodness. That's unreal. Look how freaking massive. These are trees. Look at this one. Like, look at, oh my god. That thing is huge. It seems like there's like just little spots here and there of them. Holy crap. Like, even the normal sized trees are big, but after like seeing some of the giant ones, you're like, oh, that ain't nothing. There's a person just laying there on the sidewalk. I mean, she doesn't look homeless. She's got a bunch of rings and shit on. I don't know what the f happened, but at some point we reach these gas nozzles that you have to do this with in order for them to pump fuel, and they have been the worst things ever. It's kind of like those gas cans that you have to pull the little sprout thing on just to pour gas out of it. That is it for this video. Thank you all for watching. Be sure to subscribe, hit that like button, comment down below what your favorite part was, and we will see you guys in the next one.